princesses and my handsome princes. Welcome to reading time. And look, there's a sentence ready for you, but we're not going to read it yet because I have to welcome you to my reading time, right? Reading time, reading time, reading time, reading time, reading time, reading time, reading time. Oh, you will read for me and I will read for you. Reading time, reading time, reading time. Welcome to reading time. Yes, reading time. Reading time. So, ready to read? Beautiful. Now, today we're going to put some of the words that we have been learning together and we're going to make sentences with them and read. Yes. So you are at the next step where we're going to read these words in sentences. So, I have my word cards, right? And on my cards, there are the words. So we're going to sound out these words. We're going to make the sound of these letters in the word, put the sounds together, and then we're going to see what word it is and read them. Okay? And you're actually reading a sentence because I put my sentences on these cards. And you're going to read them. And then we're going to read the sentence on our reading time board. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yay! Ready? Let's go. And our first word is I. Yes, it is the letter I, and it is the same sound, it is the same word, it is the same thing that you call it when you're reading it in a sentence. So, I, say that, boys and girls. I. We're not going to make the sound. We're going to call the name of the letter because we're going to use it in a sentence. I. Very good. Let's move on to the next word. What is this word? Let's make the sounds and put the sounds together. It. It. What is the word? Sit. The word is sit. Very good. So this is sit. Moving on to the next word. This is the letter O. And O says O. 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 So this is O and this is N. And N says N. So let's put these sounds together. O. N. O. N. O. N. What's the word? On. Beautiful. What letter is this? It is the letter A. And what sound does the A make? Ah. So let's make the sound of this letter. Ah. So when you see little a in a sentence, you will make the sound when you're reading it. Say ah. Ah. The last one is at. At. Mat. Very good. Now, let's read. I. Good. It. Sit. Lovely. On. And now here is the sentence on our reading time board. Let's read. I sit on a mat. Very good. Read it for me. Very good. Lovely. Yes. Yes. Very good, boys and girls. You just read our first sentence. Now, let's move on to the next sentence. Ready? What is this again? What is this letter? I. When you see it in a sentence, you say I. Say it. Very good. Let's move on. Let's make the sound of these letters. An. 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 What's this? What is the word? Can. Very good. Moving on. What is this word? Let's make the sounds. B at. B at. B at. B at. What is the word? Bat. Bat. Now let's read our sentence. I an can b at bat. Very good. And here it is on our reading time board. I an can b at bat. You read it now. Very good. Lovely. Yes! You just read. Yeah! Yeah! Very good. You just read another sentence. Great job! Now, boys and girls, I am so proud of you. You are reading. You're doing so well so far. Let's move on. What's this letter? I. This letter is I. And we're going to read it and say I. I. Very good. Moving on. What is this word? Let's make the sound. Am. Am. What is the word? Am. The word is am. Move on. Make the sound of these letters. A. T. At. 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 What is the word? Pat. Very good. Now, let's read. I am fat. Very good. And here it is on our reading time board. I am at fat. You read it. Very good. Nice job. Yes! Yes! My babies are ready. Ready to read another sentence? Because you're doing so well. Let's move on. Now you don't say I this time because it's not I alone that you're seeing. You're seeing I and T. Now let's put these two sounds together and see what word it is. It. It. What is the word? It. The word is it. Alright, let's look at our next word. Let's make the sounds. Is. 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 What is the word? Is. Very good. Let's go to the next word. And this is the letter? Good. And when we see it in a sentence, what must we make? It's what? Sound. So make the sound of this letter. Ah. And the letter is A. And A says ah. 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 Very good. Let's make the sound. K, at. K, at. K, at. What is the word? Cat. Beautiful. Now let us read. It, is, a, at, cat. There it is. It is on our reading time board. And here it is on our reading time board. Let's read. It is a at cat. Read for me. Very good. Lovely. Wonderful. Great. Boys and girls, I am extremely proud of you. You're doing so well. And because of that, we're going to read another sentence. Let's read. This is I. Now you can call this I because it is by itself. So let's read. I am. What is the word? Am. Very good. What do you say when you see this? Ah. Beautiful. An. What is the word? Man. So you're actually hearing the word when I make it sound. Let's read. I am an man. And here we have it on our reading time board. Let's read. I am an man. You want to read for yourself? Okay. Read. Yes. Very good. Great job. Yes. Wonderful. You are reading. Now we're down to our last sentence for this reading time. And these words, they are words that you are seeing over and over. Ready to read? Okay, read. Did you say I? Very good. What is this? Did you make the sound? Make the sound. What did you say? Did you say am? What is the word? Am. Very good. And what do you say when you see this letter in a sentence? Ah. Very good. What is this word? Make the sounds. At. At. What is the word? Rat. Very good. Now let us read. Very good. I am a rat. And let's read it on our reading time board. I am a rat. Okay, read it for yourself. Yes! You are reading. Very good. I am so proud of you. High five. High five. High five. Boys and girls, you did extremely well today. Kiss your brains. Yes, the words that were in your word bank, you saw them today, you saw them out, and you read the sentences. Very good. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. You did extremely well. Continue to read. Who am I? Auntie Carrie. And I always say that my boys and girls, you're to continue to read. Also, remember, you can follow me on Instagram, also on Facebook, but most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all your subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So for now, bye. Reading time, reading time, reading time, reading time.